A 2019 report by the judiciary shows that 84% of the population had a legal matter within justice sector over the last 4 years. The same report estimates the number of legal matters occurring in the country in a year at 13 million, with the majority being thefts, domestic violence, land use issues, and neighborly disputes. Unfortunately, 70% of these problems do not get resolved or obtain resolutions perceived as fair, which resonates with the huge backlog of 36,000 cases in the courts as shown over the same period. The Chief Justice Alfonse Owiny-Dollo admits the matter is beyond his capacity.
There is no way we're going to serve our people if people still have to travel 200 kilometers to find a judge. It's a mockery. If you have an area 4,000 square kilometers with a population of over 600,000 people, with one magistrate.
He adds that the local council court systems are not supportive enough.
But there are problems with LC courts. Need for capacity building, need for understanding the law, because they can only operate lawfully within the law. But there are certain principles of laws they do not know and they do not practice.
The survey findings were the basis for deliberations by stakeholders from the justice, law and order sector, aimed at ensuring justice is accessed during the pandemic.
And so what we did this year is we have a resilience program that's particularly focused on how do we support these innovations to survive through such a time? How do we give them with the resources to be sustainable, to think about sustainability? How do we ensure that their growth is still ongoing, especially given the effects of the pandemic?
The judiciary is looking at ways of extending legal services to more people in the country through electronic court sessions in order to also prevent potential exposure to COVID-19 while the courts remain open. Jackson Onyango, NTV.